In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Printify to Squarespace. This is a crucial step for those of you looking to seamlessly integrate your print-on-demand services with your e-commerce store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Squarespace account connected to Printify, opening up a wealth of printing and fulfillment possibilities for your site. To begin, head over to Printify's homepage. You'll want to log into your account to access the necessary dashboard. This is your main hub for managing orders, products, and now integrating with Squarespace. Once you've gained access, look for your store featured prominently on the dashboard. It's a straightforward process. Printify's interface is designed just for this, making it easy to find your options without hassle. Clicking on your store will lead you to a more detailed overview, from which you can make the necessary changes or view your status. Amid these options, you'll see the Manage My Stores button. This is your next stop. Clicking it will bring up a list of all your linked stores, along with options to modify existing connections or start new ones. Now, in the Management section, you should find the Connect button. This is an important step, as this is where the real integration begins. Clicking on Connect will lead you to the selection of sales channels. From this list, locate Squarespace. It's essential to pick the right platform to ensure a smooth installation later on. Once you've chosen Squarespace, a prompt will guide you to choose which site you'd like to connect. If you manage more than one site, this is where you select the one you're currently focusing on. Choose carefully to ensure you're linking the correct storefront. After selecting your site, you'll be directed to Squarespace's permissions page. Here, you'll need to click Allow. This step is crucial as it authorizes Printify to manage and sync inventory and orders with Squarespace. It's this permission that ensures they can communicate effectively, automating many tasks and saving you time. And that's it. Your Printify account is now linked to your Squarespace site. With this integration, any products you create in Printify can easily be listed and managed directly from Squarespace, offering a seamless customer experience. As you continue to explore Printify, you'll find a variety of customization options and print methods to enhance your product offerings. Enjoy the new possibilities this integration offers, and watch as your online store thrives with efficiency and style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on optimizing your e-commerce platforms. Thank you for watching and happy selling!